Apple Watch is my favorite tech device ever. I've been a fan of it since day one. I think it's awesome to have this tiny computer on your wrist. Since the first generation, Apple Watch evolved a lot. Nowadays it has a huge display, it can monitor your activity, health, sleep, it has blood oxygen sensor, it can perform ECG, Siri, messages, mails, apps and games, whatever you want. At the beginning of its life, Apple Watch was more like an accessory for your iPhone. Nowadays, it became a separate device. Well, you still need an iPhone to configure it, but I would say that Apple Watch became a really mature product. It combines two main pillars: activity tracking device plus health / smartwatch mini iPhone on your wrist, and it does the job surprisingly well. A lot of you are probably using Apple Watch and you don't know about Shortcuts app on the Apple Watch. In my opinion, this app is something very useful. Using this app changes the whole Apple Watch experience. In this video, I will show you my custom-made shortcuts that I'm using on an everyday basis. What are shortcuts? Shortcuts, formerly Workflow, is a visual scripting application developed by Apple and provided on their iOS, macOS, and watchOS operation system. Shortcuts are activated manually through the app, shortcut widget, or Siri. They can also be automated to trigger after an event, such as the time of the day, leaving a set location, or opening an app. Basically, shortcuts are mini apps built with different scripts and scenarios to help me reduce actions and efforts to execute certain things on my iPhone or Apple Watch. It makes using Apple Watch so much easier and faster. Let's say shortcuts are different scenarios that are preloaded in the watch. Instead of doing 10 actions, I can do just one and other will be executed automatically. As an example, let's say I'm going to run. Usually I'm using Nike Plus Run app to record my progress. Sometimes I'm listening to music and sometimes I don't. I want my volume level on my AirPods Pro be at 70% and I don't want to be distracted while I'm running, which means no calls, no messages, no notifications, but still some exceptions for my VIP contacts. A lot of things and a lot of actions, right? And I want all these actions happen automatically, just in one tap. Well, that's basically for this purpose that Shortcuts app was originally created. Check it out, I have a lot of preloaded scenarios like play recently added tracks from Apple Music, find my objects using AirTags, workout assistant, podcast assistant, sleep tracking scenario, most important tasks for the day manager, video idea reminder, Nike Plus Run routine, blood pressure recording, web search, or even siesta time script. Actually, I have a lot of them, but I will show you my most important ones. Let's take a quick look on them. The first one is play recently added music. It does what it says, but faster than going to music app, searching for recently added tracks, and so on. Just tap on the button and you have your music instantly playing. Next one is find my objects. It's pretty simple, it just helps me to quickly find my AirTags like my wallet, my bike or my keys. It's very handy. Third one is blood pressure recorder. This tiny shortcut saves the result automatically into the health app without touching my iPhone, and it's happening in just a few seconds. Later I can check this data on my iPhone. Next is exercise assistant. In the pop-up menu, it asks me if I want to listen to music, listen to a particular podcast, or none of these. After, it asks me to choose my workout session, then Apple Watch can play my favorite music on my AirPods at 70% of the volume. It avoids me to start workout and then opening music app looking for some tracks and then connecting my AirPods and setting the volume level. Everything happens automatically. Nike Plus Run shortcut. First it opens Nike Plus app, then Apple Watch plays my favorite music, it connects my AirPods and sets the volume level for running, and it activates focus time, so only selected people can contact me. It's so annoying to set up manually settings that I'm using all the time anyway. It just saves me a lot of time. Podcast assistant. It proposes me a selection of podcasts I might be interested in, then just simply by choosing one of them, it plays it. Everything happens instantly, in just a few seconds. I don't have to open podcast app, wait until it loads the app, etc. Pretty nice one. I like it. Next, but not the last one, is my 3 most important tasks of the day planner. It asks me what I want to be done today, then it sets a reminder. It asks me if I want to be reminded with a notification or not. Pretty handy stuff for productivity. This shortcut avoids me to open reminder app, looking for add reminder button. Everything happens instantly. Video idea. Basically, it adds my spoken idea to a file on my iPhone. Later, I can browse all my thoughts and select the most interesting one. Sleep tracking. It uses a third-party app called Sleep Cycle to track not only time I slept, but also the quality of my sleep. And it just does it better than Apple's standard app. It sets bedtime mode and it dims my screen as well. But I'm still having like super VIP people that can contact me even at night. Web search. I made a separate video about this shortcut. This is a very useful thing. You can check my video about this shortcut and how handy it is. The link will be in the description or in suggestions. Basically, it's a web browser on your wrist. Last one is siesta time. It sets a timer for 32 minutes, then it sets do not disturb mode, and it will automatically send a message to people who are contacting me telling them that I'm not available right now. In one tap, I'm doing 3 actions. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video useful. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to support me. Comment below what are your favorite shortcuts or what type of shortcuts you would like to have. Try to play with Shortcuts app. You can create your own workflows, things that you will find useful. I have much more of them on my iPhone. If you are interested in my iPhone shortcuts, please let me know in the comments. Thanks again. See you later. Bye bye.